So there is a new AI video generator in the market through which you can go ahead and do camera controls, motion controls in your videos and get amazing results possible. Yes, I'm talking about VIVA AI, which is a brand new AI video generator which offers variety of features such as text to video generation, image to video generation, and 4K enhance as well. So yeah, this is Usman from Skill Curve, and let's test out this amazing AI video generator. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of VIVA AI. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and click on this try for free to test out the AI video generator tool of VIVA AI. So right off the bat, it's going to direct me to its video section where I have Explore section in which I can go ahead and see all the creations that people have created with VIVA AI. And you guys can see we have very cool creations in that as well. It basically shows how capable this new AI video generator is. Alright, so if you talk about the features in VIVA AI, so it offers decent amount of features. So first of all, we have text to video, then we have image to video, and then we have 4K enhanced as well. Like you can enhance your video up to 4K resolution, alright? So first of all, let's just go ahead and test out text to video generation in VIVA AI, alright? So first of all, I'm going to type in my simple prompt right over here, which is going to be portrait of an elderly man with a weathered face, soft morning light, 50 mm photograph, film professional, 4K highly detailed, serene expression, natural. So these are basically the same prompts that I used before in some other AI video generators. So in VIVA AI, we don't have to be much specific about the prompts because, you know, we do get the prompt magic feature right over here. So if you type in a simple line of prompt over here, so if you click on magic prompt, so it will automatically enhance the prompt for you, putting in more and more detail into that so that you get the perfect result for your videos, okay? So now our prompt has been modified to a new one. Now let's just go ahead and see some more settings. So first of all, in the setting option, we do get the option for negative prompt, right? So in that, you can go ahead and write the things that you want to avoid in the video. For example, let's just say I type over here that deformation, ugly, bad, multiple hands. So these type of things I don't want to see in my videos, all right? So I'm going to put it in my negative prompt, all right? And the next option we get is of aspect ratio, right? So we can choose between 16:9, 1:1, and 9:16, okay? So over here, you guys can see I'm basically creating a portrait of an elderly man. So I'll choose 9:16, which will be perfect aspect ratio for my portrait videos. And the next option, you can go ahead and choose motion strength. Okay, so this basically will show how much motion you want in your videos. So if you want to go ahead and move it all the way to the maximum, so you'll see maximum motion in the videos. But I'm going to go ahead and do that somewhere in between. So 20 is fine. So now I'm going to generate this prompt and see how my video is going to turn out, okay? Alright, so here you go guys. Take a look at this. This looks absolutely perfect, right? So we have a perfect portrait of an elderly, distinguished man, face etched by time and wisdom. And yeah, the generation is quite decent. We only have a little bit of, you guys can say, frames issue, but other than that, the clarity, everything looks top notch, right you guys? So let's just say if you are still not satisfied with the clarity of this video, so you can easily click on this 4K enhance button. And after that, it's basically going to go ahead and enhance the video for you up to 4K resolution, alright? Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and test out this tool more in detail. We're going to see how this tool is going to perform in human portraits, landscapes, 3D renders, anime characters, and cartoon characters. So let's just go ahead and start this in-depth tutorial. Alright, so first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and type in both of my prompts for human portraits. So first one I'm gonna go ahead and do is of a young boy, and the next one I'm gonna go ahead and do it of a young woman, alright? Alright, so here we go guys. Here we had both of the results for a human portrait. So first of all, we have the video of a young boy, intense curiosity, late afternoon glow, and the second one I have is of a radiant young woman. And you guys can see both of the human portraits videos came out pretty decent. We don't see any deformation, anything whatsoever. The face expression, the gesture, everything is to the point, right you guys? Alright, so next I'm gonna go ahead and test this VIVA AI video generator by generating some 3D rendering videos. So I'm gonna be creating videos of a modern living room and a luxurious car interior. Alright, here you go guys. So here are the results. Like, take a look at the first one. Yeah, we have a very beautiful car interior. It looks like a 3D render video. And the second one, we have a living room rendered in 4K resolution. And the video turned out for that is absolutely perfect. Just we have a little bit of a deformation in that. But other than that, the vibe, everything, the formation of the video is really, really great. Like, it basically organized a 3D render and created that one for us, which looks really, really good, right, you guys? Alright, so next, I'm gonna go ahead and create some landscape videos in that. So I'll be creating a scene of a desert and a scene of a forest in that. So let's just go ahead and test out the result. Alright, so here we go. So first of all, we have a realistic, immersive scene of a dense, ancient forest at dawn. So take a look at the lighting in that, the camera motion, a little bit of a zoom effect in that looks absolutely perfect. In the second one, we have majestic mountain range and the camera moment in that, and a little bit of a zoom effect looks really, really good, absolutely top notch. And yeah, the landscape videos turned out really, really good in VIVA AI. Alright, so next, I'm gonna go ahead and test out how anime characters are gonna form in VIVA AI. So I created both of my prompts, and you guys can see both of the examples, the anime characters, it didn't turn out that good. So it failed to generate the exact animes that I wanted to create in VIVA AI. So somehow, it created kind of a realistic images. So yeah, you guys can see if you want to go ahead and create videos of your animes, I think VIVA AI won't be a good option for you, alright? So next, I basically created cartoon characters with VIVA AI and the results were quite okay. So if you want to go ahead and create anything other than realistic or ultra realism, so yeah, I think any other AI video generator would be a good option for you. But if you want to go ahead and create absolutely ultra realistic videos, so VIVA AI could be a best option for you, okay? Alright, so here we go, guys. Here was a quick review of text-to-video generation in VIVA AI. Now let's just go ahead and test out image-to-video generation in VIVA AI. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead and head to image-to-video option right over here. So over here, you get the option to upload your image. So I'm gonna click on that. And after that, I'm gonna click one of my creation from DALL-E. So I'm gonna take this image right over here, alright? Choose my aspect ratio, which is 16:9 for this image. I'm going to click on confirm. And after that, it's basically saying me like enter a prompt you want to create something. But I'm not going to go ahead and enter any prompt because I already have my image as a reference. But I'm going to go ahead and play around with settings, go to camera control. And this time we get few options of camera control. So first of all, we have is upside and downward motion. So I'm going to go ahead and do it as 2. And then we have left-right motion, I'm going to do it as -1, and zoom effect, I'm going to go ahead and do it as -3 because I want the zoom out effect in that, okay? And now I'm going to click on generate. Alright, so here we go, guys. This is absolutely perfect, right, you guys? So yeah, it basically recognized every camera motion into that very, very perfectly, and we got a very beautiful result with a very handsome amount of motion into that, not like crazy motion or not any deformation whatsoever, but yeah, the motion, the zoom effect into that looks absolutely perfect, right, you guys? Alright, so now let's just go ahead and test out with some other image this time. So this time, I'm gonna input image of some anime character, this one right over here. I'm gonna select aspect ratio as 1:1, click on confirm, and now let's just go ahead and play around with some camera actions, okay? So up-down motion is gonna be just 1. Right-left motion, I want that to go to a bit left, so 1. And the zoom motion, I'm going to do it +3 this time, okay? So now, let's just go ahead and click on generate. Before that, we can also adjust the motion strength. I'm going to do it 10, or let's do it 9. Okay, let's just generate this and see a result. Alright, so take a look at this video, you guys. This looks really, really good, right? So everything about it, the camera motion, the zoom effect, everything is really, really good. And we don't see any like crazy deformation whatsoever. A little bit of a mismanagement, but other than that, the video turned out really, really good in our image to video generation in VIVA AI. So there you go, guys. This was the exploration of our new AI video generator, VIVA AI. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in some other one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.